Hello everyone. So this right here is a $1,200 profit account, which I made a video on it early last month, and I actually reached out to their support, which actually notified me that the bonus is still available. But right now it has a different process, and at the same time, we have a withdrawal proof from this profit right here. You can see it right here on the screen, and if you go straight to the Telegram group, you get to see more details about the withdrawal proof which was made and everything you need to know. So I reached out to the support and I got more details from the support, making me understand that to claim the bonus you actually need a different process, and I'll be showing you full details from the terms and conditions. Now you can see right here is my chat with the support, and you can see I required for the terms and conditions, and it makes me actually know that you actually need to get verified, register and verify for you to be able to get this bonus. And let me just quickly take this few minutes to actually explain the requirements for you to be able to make withdrawal, like that's the terms and conditions. So if you scroll up a little bit right here, I just scrolled up a little bit to be able to give you full details about the terms and conditions. Now you can see right here, the first thing it says only one account per person, which means you can only claim this account once. So and you can't even claim it twice because you'll be needing your details, you need to do a lively check. So you can't claim it twice. So you need your details to be able to claim it once. So the second one states the minimum withdrawal you can make from this account is the amount you have at the time you complete the lot established in your account. Which means by the time you meet the requirement, the required lot size you are asked to trade, the amount you have left in your account is the amount you'll be able to place withdrawal on. So once that is met, the third one says once you make a withdrawal, the account is automatically cancelled. This means immediately you place your withdrawal of the profit you've made, they cancel the account so you can't make any further activity on it. So the fourth one, you have no time limit to complete established lots, which means once you get the bonus, there's no maybe specified number of days for you to meet the requirement. You have to just keep trading until you meet the requirement and you can just withdraw your profits. So the fifth one, trades must remain open for minimum of 45 seconds, which means for those of you who scalp, you can actually scalp on this. Your trade must be open for 45 seconds before it can be actually counted as a verified trade, or else it won't be counted as the amount you make, then won't be counted as a verified trade. So you can see all that details right here. And once you claim the requirement, the required lot size you have to trade is just 15 lot size. So you can just take your time to go through the terms and conditions to get every full details you need. So I'll be proceeding to the process on how to claim the bonus, or to just take your time and make sure you don't miss out on any important details. So if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you miss out anytime I drop an important update on how to make money online, get forex and deposit bonus updates, crypto update, and so many updates like that. So let's proceed. So once you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, it will bring you to my Telegram group right here, where you'll be able to get access to the link that will take you straight to the site. And I'm actually doing this just to avoid YouTube taking down any link that has maybe any unregistered link. So we don't know which link is registered or not, so we just have to just do it this way to make things safe. So once you get to the Telegram group, you get access to the link, and the link brings you right here to the site where you'll be able to proceed to fill in your details. Now you can see this space right here says your first name, put in your last name, your email address, your password, and confirm the password once again. And for your country, it will be selected automatically, and the country code right there, you can see mine has been filled. And you have to put in your mobile phone number and click on this small box right here to agree to the terms and conditions like I just did. So once every details is filled, and you just need to click on register now. Now immediately you click on that, you need to wait for it to show details like this on your screen. Now see the details is showed account validation. Now you see congratulations, your new account has been successfully registered and your account needs to be validated, which means a message will be sent to your email address, which you just go to your email to get the message, and there's a link right there which you click on. Now see my message in my email, I just need to click open the message and confirm email address by clicking on this box right here. So once you click on this box, it will actually take you back to the site where you can actually proceed to actually getting the bonus. So I just clicked on it on the box. I need to wait for the details it shows right there. You see your email has been successfully validated. That was what it shows right there. So proceeding, we need to wait for it to finish loading and then take us straight to the main site. So once you're logged in into the main site, we have details like this of the wallet paying $0. All we need to just do is to click on upload document chain at the top right here, and to bring us to this details right chain on the screen. Verification for tag market limited, So we just need to upload our details right here. So the first step says provide identity document. So we proceed right here by clicking on continue. First you need to select the country where you're from, or country except from USA. So you click on continue, and that takes us to the next part where you actually need to select the document type. Now you select the ID card. Since I'm actually using my ID card, I selected ID card and then click on continue showing down here, and that will bring me to this process where I'll need to take a snap of my document by clicking on continue, which should actually direct me straight to my camera. And that's right here. I just clicked on continue and it brought details like this, and I need to click on font, take a snap of my document for verification. So I just did that. I took the front side and the back side, the snap of the front and the back side, and then click on continue, and that also took me to the last step where I actually did a live check, and you can see it right here on the screen. This is the live check which I did, and you can see the process on how to go about it. So once you click on continue, you do a live check, and then after that you will get this right here, all this verified. You can see all this have been verified, and once you have this, you get a message in your email which should actually take you to where you'll be able to get the bonus. That's the last step you need. And right here is the full details we should be needing to log into MT5. So I'll be going straight to my MT5 to log in to show you process on how real this account is. Alright, so for the server, you can just put in tag market, and to bring details like this is to click on, and immediately you click on, you have this space right here to fill in your details which was sent to you in your email. So once you fill in every details, you just click on login after selecting the tag market for the server, and you can see right here this is the 1200 profit right here in my account, and you can see it right here in the trading account also. So you can just proceed to trading, and don't forget the terms and conditions. Meet the required lot size, which is 15 lot size, and you'll be able to place withdrawal just like we have in the community. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on updates like this anytime I drop them. Have a nice day, guys.